In this video, we are going to discuss how to fill this table easy way. Write digits 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each digit by 4, then take root. The root 0 by 4 is 0. Root 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Root 2 by 4, 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. Root 4 by 4, 1. So first row is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. For cos theta, fill right to left, that is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That is 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. That is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Root 3. 1 by 0 not defined. Cosecant theta. That is reciprocal of sin theta. 1 by sin theta. That is 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by 1 by 2. That is 2. 1 by 1 by root 2. Root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2. Root 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. 1 by 1. 1. Secant theta is equal to reciprocal of cos theta. 1 by 1. 1. 1 by root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 by root 2. Root 2. 1 by 1 by 2. That is 2. 1 by 0. Not defined. Cot theta. That is reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by 0. Not defined. 1 by 1 by root 3. That is root 3. 1 by 1. 1. 1 by root 3. 1 by infinity. 0. Here we have some observations. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Here sin theta is equal to cos theta when sin 45 is equal to cos 45. Similarly, tan 45 is equal to cot 45. Secant 45 is equal to cosecant 45.